Hey everyone, it's me, Danny Defreitas. I literally just finished off my makeup look in a separate video, and now it's time for hair using VO5 and TRESemme. So I'm gonna go in with the VO5 Mega Hold Styling Gel, and I'm gonna use a comb to just apply it, and I wanna slick my hair right back. All right guys, so when you're doing this, I like to start at the back and then gradually work your way forward, and just using that comb with the wider teeth and just combing it right back, okay? We want something super slick and really sharp. Okay, so I want to get it really nice and flat, so I'm gonna go in with the same product and just pop it on the palms of my hands and just work it through using my hands. Okay, so when you've got your hair as flat as possible, I'm gonna go in with the VO5 Heat Protect Spray. So mind your makeup, you do not want to ruin it. God, it smells so good. Now that your hair is heat protected, I'm just gonna go in with a hairdryer and dry that off. Okay, so now for the glitter, I'm gonna go in with the VO5 Fixing Glitter Spray, and I'm gonna spray this on first, apply some glitter, and then spray on top, just to keep everything in place. The glitter that I'm gonna be using today is also VO5, and it is the Silver Stardust Hair Glitter. So don't forget to spray the sides and also the back of your head. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pick up the glitter and just place it on where I want it. So I'm gonna go for it. So once you're happy with all of your glitter, basically just go over it with the glitter fixing spray just one more time. You just want to hold everything in place. And for extra holds, and so it lasts all night long, we want a good Halloween night, okay? We're gonna go in with the TRESemme Extra Hold Hairspray and literally just spray for your life. All right, guys, what a look. I hope you guys love it. And I have to say, if you want to check out the makeup videos, don't forget there's a whole separate video on that. And yeah, all of the products that I used to create this look are listed below. So happy Halloween and enjoy, guys.